His real name is Burak. Date of birth July 21, 1992. Present age he is currently 32 years old. He was born in Istanbul, Turkey. He is a Turkish by nationality. He is an actor and model by profession. He is active 2013 to present. His height is 6 feet 3 inches tall. How real name is Yagmur Yuksel. Date of birth January 21, 2002. Present age she is currently 22 years old. She was born in Izmir, Turkey. She is a Turkish by nationality. She is an actress by profession. He is active 2021 to present. Her height is 5 feet 5 inches tall. His real name is Navruz. Date of birth January 15, 1990. Present age is currently 33 years old. He was born in Istanbul, Turkey. He is a Turkish by nationality. He is an actor and model by profession. He is active 2016 to present. His height is 6 feet 0 inches tall. His ethnicity is white. His zodiac sign is Capricorn.